Well, it's like 7 by 21, 7 miles wide,
And 21 miles
21
long.
miles long. You know,
So you were born here?
yes, sir.
Okay, it's great.
Yeah.
So lucky you were.
Back in the day, my parents migrated to this island for better opportunities
Okay.
because the islands weren't developed as they are now. You know how it is, infrastructure, airports, docks, government agencies. They didn't have all of that. Now
Okay.
they have it.
How long you have been in? Yeah.
Basically all my life.
All my life. All your
Yeah.
life.
I worked a couple of years in Florida. Couple
Okay.
years I worked in Florida.
It's not very far from here.
No, very short, clean ride.
Yeah.
See that bird there? That's a white-crowned pigeon.
Oh.
That's a game bird. You might see him flying around your hotel area.
Okay.
Not like the traditional pigeons, but he is more like a game bird. Certain times of the year they'll have open season where you can go and hunt him.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's like a national bird of Bahamas?
No, I'll show you the national bird. The national bird of the Bahamas is the flamingo.
Flamingo.
Flamingo. Yeah.
I'm loving this country already.
Yeah.
Beautiful roads.
Yeah. See these vegetation here? Summer fruits, wild fruits, almonds, sea grapes, cocoa plum, mangoes,
Okay.
pineapples. It's summertime. During summertime, you got a lot of the summer fruits.
I think it's gonna rain.
Get some clouds up there.
Yeah, I can see the clouds.
See, this is a conch shell here.
Oh.
That's a giant conch shell. That's a replica one.